欢他老婆的那个男的叫什么
？Bruno。
哦，我们的中文翻译叫 Bluto。哦，我真想踢你的屁股 ，Bluto。Oh, look at that!
Look at what we do. We're such fatties.
You're such fatty.
So we just order here. This is the original chicken, right?
我不知道。
Making payment. So Huaihai Road is a queue for everything. But look at this. Like literally no one here. This is the Chaohejing store. 对。
然后现在就差你一份大份薯条。
好的，谢谢。
无限少年在这边。
好。What's this? How do you feel? Party. We're sitting at the most empty Popeyes in Shanghai right now. But there's only 2. Let's eat. It's super crunchy skin. See, look at that crispy skin. You can see how moist that chicken is. Can you hear that crunch? That chicken is so juicy. So nice. Are you drinking?
Chocolate milkshake.
What do you think of it?
Finger licking good.
We had the wrong place to say that.
Why?
That's KFC. Only like one person here. Look at this. Like eating a crisp.
梦，这就是我天天健身瘦不下来的原因。教练你好。Now for us, now for us. 不是给我们买的哦，给阿姨和宝宝买的。
Yeah, so we say. Looks like a hand, doesn't it, Michaela? Do you like the chicken? You want some more? Come here. Chicken finger, Michaela. Be careful, okay? Oh!
I eat.
You eat. Oh, what's that? Nice, Michaela. What is that?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.